Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting accounts and permissions right. Sign into the Alexa app with the same Amazon account used on the speaker or phone. This syncs contacts. Once done, grant contacts, communications, and calling permissions so Alexa can see names and place calls. Next, pair your phone if you want hands-free audio via Bluetooth, or configure Alexa calling and messaging in the app for internet calling. These steps let Alexa access numbers and route calls reliably. Now configure how Alexa actually makes and receives calls. Open calling and messaging, verify your phone number, and train Alexa to recognize your voice if multiple users share the device. Then choose drop-in or announcements for quick connects versus standard calls. Drop-in acts like an intercom, while announcements broadcasts. Also organize contacts into groups and set household profiles so Alexa selects the correct caller ID. Make sure to test with a short call to confirm settings. Finish by practicing precise commands and knowing where problems hide. Say direct phrases like Alexa, call Dad, or spell out a number for less common contacts. Use Bluetooth when you want phone audio routed to the speaker. If calls fail, restart the Alexa app and device, reauthorize calling permissions, and confirm both devices are on the same network. If contacts won't sync, unlink and relink the account. These quick fixes resolve most issues without losing call.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.